Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're taking a wild zoom out from our solar system to the stars.
Space is mind-bogglingly huge. To grasp it, imagine if our sun was just the size of a grapefruit. The next closest star would be 2,500 miles away. That's literally the entire width of the US.
Back to reality, our sun is an absolute beast. You could fit 1 million Earths inside it. Zooming out, our first neighborhood features these rocky inner worlds, known as the terrestrial planets. Okay, quick riddle. I'm the hottest planet where lead literally turns into puddles. Who am I? It's actually Venus. A dense, highly acidic atmosphere bakes it at a crazy 864 degrees Fahrenheit.
Now there's a huge dividing line between our rocky inner neighbors and the massive outer gas giants.
Ready for another riddle? I'm so massive that every single other planet could fit inside me.
Yep, it's Jupiter. It is absolutely the undisputed heavyweight champion of our entire solar system.
Because these gas giants are so insanely huge, their immense gravity actually captures dozens of orbiting moons.
Saturn's rings are famous, right? But plot twist, all the outer planets actually sport icy rings. Then there's Uranus, which gets super weird. It literally orbits the sun, spinning completely on its side.
Pushing way past Neptune, we hit the Kuiper Belt. It's a freezing frontier swarming with icy objects.
This is Pluto's neighborhood. Its orbit is so massive, one single year takes centuries to complete.
Looking past our own backyard, humans have always connected distant stars into mythological patterns in the sky.
Even today, modern astronomers use 88 official constellations, like Ursa Minor, to map out the night sky.
But hey, it's subjective. Where one culture sees a little bear, someone else totally sees a wheelbarrow.
So what's the big takeaway? Our cosmic map is never truly finished. We're constantly discovering new objects.
Which leaves us wondering, as you look up tonight, what completely undiscovered worlds are waiting out there?